Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for some happy mail and also a little throwback project share here that I'll be sharing with you. So today it's all about Julie Nutting Dolls, and I just received some wonderful happy mail from Miss D's Special Things. So if you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you do. She is one of the first crafters that I've watched and followed here on YouTube. She has so much creativity. She's such a talented paper crafter, so make sure to check out her channel. I'll put the link in the description box. So this is actually a prize winning I got from her with my recent collaboration for their Julie Nutting celebration. And so they do it every, I think, first week of the month. So if you're interested in joining, I'll put the link below to one of the hosts. There's 4 ladies that's, I think, hosting this collaboration. So if you'd like to see that, I'll put it down below. So there was, I think, 7 ladies that did the first challenge or collaboration. And instead of picking just one winner, Miss D was so kind enough to make a prize for everyone that participated. So I'm so thankful to get one of her awesome creations. So let's have a look and see. I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna flip it over and cut it on this side. So she had said in her videos that this is, she'd shown samples in her live videos of what these might be. So I don't know which one I'm receiving. So it's basically a nameplate that she made featuring the Julie Nutting Dolls. Here we go. So I can see this is the back side. There is a chalk plate, nameplate here that you can write your name on. Now let's do a reveal and see which one of the 7 did I get. So I'm just going to pull this out and we'll put the nameplate aside, flip it over. Super awesome. It says hello again. I really love the way she paper pieces her dolls here. This is the acronym, Julie Nutting Dolls Stamp, and it says hello. Love the banner. I love these dolls. They are so cool. And look at the way she just colored it and distressed the edges here. It says 2020. And she had used a cake base, you know, those round little cardboard bases for the nameplate. This is gorgeous. Thanks so much, Miss D. I'm so happy, and I'm excited to attach this. And this is supposed to be like a stand, and I can definitely use it as my nameplate. I can decorate this if I want to, but I am, wow, overjoyed and super excited to put this on my craft desk. I might even hang this on my wall. It's like so pretty. I love it. And she colored this, and I love this scrapbooking paper that she used, and I love that it also has the year. So again, thank you so much, Miss D. Now let me show you some of the projects that I previously shared and showed for their 2017 collaboration. So they have several prompts. This was one for summer, so it's a summer tag. Really love this doll again, and the short hair. I love that she has almost like that vintage feel to her with the bathing suit. I have a little journal card here that you could slide out, and the back side's just plain, but I also attached a little charm here, and we have a few of these journal cards. Now, decided not to use this personally just because I wanted it to be part of a collection of some of the stuff that I completed. The other one that I still have, some of them I've already gifted to other friends, is the St. Patty's Julie Nutting Challenge. So I don't recall what the prompt was. So it had something to do with fun, money, you know, like, and you know, think about St. Patrick's Day, the pot of gold type theme. So went with the Vegas theme here with our Julie Nutting doll, and she's living it up. And we have this like little snail mail booklet. We have our mail tag, little goodie envelopes here. It says, look please, and when you pull out, you have some goodies. Pocket full of gems here. And you have some treats. And then I think this one has a gold coin. And when you flip it over, you have another section here with washi samples, a letter, and I love this. This is from Daiso. It says Petite Clover. It says read, and then we have this cute little match box, like matchstick type notepad with a diamond on top. So that was my St. Patty's Day. But if you would like to see the playlist, just type in Julie Nutting in my channel and it'll show you all the projects that I've made. So another one that I decided to keep for myself. I love the 1920s and the Flapper Girl era. So here's one. Really love this one again with the girl, and I just kind of customized it with a stamp and paper pieced it. It says shine bright like a diamond, and created some pretty fun interactive pages here. So we have our little hello greeting card. When you open this, it kind of curls up and you have that fancy feather there. Life is beautiful. We open it over here, and then we have these windows, the Flapper Girls style. And in the middle, we have a peekaboo type card that pulls out that way. So that is it again. Just a quick video sharing some of these previous projects that hopefully I'll be visiting soon. I'm sure Miss D will, and her Terry, Dawn, and all the wonderful ladies hosting this Julie Nutting collaboration celebration project will be posting their videos soon with some projects that we can, and prompts that we can follow and join along. It's super fun. Again, thanks so much, Miss D. Excited to put this in my craft room or by my craft desk. And again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.